Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the Reutuna Hard shell laptop backpack. Yep. Reutuna backpack right there. So we have the backpack right here. Let's move y'all up a bit. And let's put y'all down there, so we can take a look at it. So here we have the backpack. It has a combo lock on the side. So let me put my combo right now. It is pretty easy to set. Here's how I have it set up. Right here, you can actually expand it, so it just opens up all the way. So I have it set up with my mat, my keyboard, put the mouse on the side. And for my laptop, I have the Surface Studio laptop. So far, I feel it's a very good, and it doesn't feel super cheap. Everything feels good, and it also has a strap right here so that you can put it through a luggage case. So I would give it an 8 out of 10. It is a bit on the thinner side. So if you do want a thick backpack, this isn't for you. But if you just carry around not a lot of stuff, I think it's an amazing backpack for a decent price. It also has a pocket right here. I put a cable in there. It also has a USB port right here. So there's the USB port, and you could put a charger right here, and the cable is right here. All right, if you guys want more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.